Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the CS2 error code, how to basically just fix the game not starting or launching, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam, and then from Steam you want to look for Counter-Strike 2 and right click on it. Go over to properties and then go over to installed files and go ahead and just hit verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that it just fixes any corrupt files that might have been, installed somehow. So you can go ahead and just fix those. And then now once that's done, you can go ahead and X out and you can start up CS2 to see if the error code has been fixed. The second method you guys can try doing is go over to the Windows search bar on the bottom and then type in device manager. From device manager, what you want to do is you want to go over to display adapters and just click on your GPU and right click on it and hit update driver. Now, what you want to do is how do you want to search for drivers? Then you can go ahead and just do search automatically for drivers. Now, if you don't want to do it this way, for NVIDIA, you can go ahead and open the GeForce Experience app. And once the GeForce Experience app is basically open, you can just wait for it to open. Just once the NVIDIA app is open, you can go over to drivers, and then you can hit check for updates if there are any updates. If there are, then go ahead and update them and restart your PC like there is one right now. Hit download, and then you guys should be good to go. And once you're done with all of these things, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.